As it is moral science period, so I am going to explain chapter 1, that is reverence towards God. Reverence means belief or faith. We all have faith in God. We believe that the whole universe is created by God. Nature is also a creation of God. He is present everything and everywhere. But till now, no human being or the great discoverer of science can prove the existence of God. Yet, God is reality. We enjoy the beauty and smell of rose smell, same as God cannot be seen by us, but we see all His creations around us. God is everywhere. He is seen in His grace. Right from our childhood, we are brought up in such a way that we are aware of God, we believe in God. But some people are there, those who do not believe in God. They are known as atheist, Nastik. An atheist does not believe in God, perhaps because he was not taught about it as a child. Just because he denies God, can his existence be nullified? No, we cannot nullify the existence of God because of them, as if one closes his eyes, it doesn't mean that it becomes night. Now, one poem is here based on the existence of God. There is a presence of God in everything. We don't really know when and where that moment shall come or in which form. He may appear, therefore, speak and speak not in vain, cause no one pain. Happiness you can give a helping hand, and when you find friend or foe, smile, for who knows, you may heal or mend a broken heart and make you for a friend. That means we feel the existence of God everywhere in everything, and we have to make everyone our friend. No one should be our foe. Foe means enemy. One story is here related to this. The selfishness devotees. Once upon a time, the residents of a small village were affected by famine, means sukha. The villagers were already poor and had a tough, hard life. Owing to famine, they had to battle with starvation and various diseases. That means they were suffering from starvation, bhook, and they are having different type of diseases. There was a village priest who was 70-year old and was a great devotee of God. That means he believe in God, and he do the great pujas. The village priest noticed that more and more villagers started coming to the temple. A time passed, they even started coming twice and thrice a day, and they even gathered to perform rituals. That means they gathered there to do their rituals so that they will overcome with the famine. The priest used to help the villagers in performing the rituals. However, with the passage of time, he noticed that nothing good was happening. That means the problem was the same. He wondered why was God not answering the prayers of the villagers. Then one day he prayed to God, "Dear God, why are you not blessing these devotees, villagers? Till now in my life, I never asked anything from you, but today I pray to you to bless these poor villagers and make them happy." That night, the priest saw a dream in which God was saying that you are my true devotee, but these villagers are not. They can fool you, but not me. In the morning, when the priest woke up, he saw that it was raining heavily because he asked the God to make them happy. Within a few days, the crop started growing amazingly fast, and soon the farmer became happy. The priest also became happy and thanked God. However, one thing troubled his mind: why the God has not believed in these devotees? Why they are, God is saying was saying that these peoples are not true devotees. He saw that slowly the less people start coming to the temple, and a day come when no people were there. So the priest understood that when trouble came, the villagers came towards God. However, when God saved them and made them happy again, they just forgot God. This made him realize the reason why God did not consider them as his true devotees. One so the story is clear to you all. The moral of the story is that we should pray God every time and do believe in God. एक दोहा भी है, सुख में सुमिरन सब करे, दुख में करे न कोई, जो सुख में सुमिरन करे तो दुख काहे को होय. So we have to believe in God or do all our rituals or prayer every time.